Headlight out, Kia Optima GDI engine. Got 8 light bulbs we got. We got 2 different lights. So they have a light type socket on these cars. We got 2 over here. I'm not sure if they're right. We're about to find out. Here they are, Sylvania Ultra H1s. These are for her. The high beams on, but in 1 minute, the H11s. They recommend, okay? That is what we have on this car. We have how much power? The hood pop. The battery's going to be in your way, and it makes it really tight. So I'm trying to see how the best way to do it without pulling the bumper. I think you can pull the battery, give you enough room to get up in here. I can get this part off, but I cannot get the. I can pop that piece off. You take it and you turn it counterclockwise to pop this piece off. I cannot seem to get to the inside bowl piece. Try to get it to release. So we'll pop this off. Take it here. Sure you take it out with the ring, okay? And over here, same way. Take it out with the ring. You go here, over here, same way. It's really hard. Just got to kind of push on it and pull. It should release over here as well. Pop it right on out of there. Don't lose it. That's that one there. And then we have one over here. Same type deal. Pop it and pull this right on off. And there we go. We got both out. Just as easy to get them in here. If we can get this out the way. Let's check this out first so we can see the issue here with this. That's what I'm going to try to do. Got 2 bolts. We'll zip him out, pop him out of our way, the coolant thing. And we'll see how this side's plugged in. It may help me get the other side out easier. Then we'll work from over there and figure this other side out. I think it's got to be the way to go about it. But there, both of our caps, both of these 10 millimeters are right there. Now we can move the jug out the way. Got it like that. We'll see what we got. We'll turn the bolt. There's little screws that hold it in, I believe. Looks down. It's like the Mercedes. You got to kind of loosen them up. And again, it's right on out of there. Pretty easy stuff. There we go. Got one right out. Popped it right out. So this is not the one side over here. I don't know what I've been doing wrong. What was I turning it the wrong way? Don't know. Let's see here. All right, that guy ain't coming nearly as easy. It is really in the nice way. Get the battery out the way next. That is definitely in my way, allowing me to gain access. So get the battery out next, okay? I don't know what's making that so hard to get out. Let's take a peek and see if we can see in there. Same type deal. It looks like it just don't turn. You look right here. You can actually see how crazy that is, right? That is so crazy. It's actually really weird. As you can see, that needs to come out of here. So I push in with there to pop it out. Right up in there like that. See that? See how this has to come out. Again, it'll come out by me wiggling it. Right on that. Let me show you to put it back real quick. Just pinch these little pieces and pull it off. Let me show you real quick. Get this side done. Hang tight. You see how you had to get that out of the way when you put it back. So that comes undone right through there. Okay, hang tight. Once you get it out, you just pull it right out like that. And that's one. You can replace it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side first. You got them both laid down. Where they go? That's small. That's big. Is that right here? And right there, that's both sides. Socket. Make sure they're right, and they are right. Okay, great. Very good. All right, that side's out. We gotta get this side out. The other damn one, I don't know why it won't just there, but it just will not come out. That is so weird. I don't know why. Maybe I'm going the wrong way. What do you think? So I'm getting here and I can't get it out. It is just how my luck goes. You have to take the battery out. Shouldn't be stuck like that, though. It's crazy. That is just crazy. I don't know why it's stuck. I can't figure out why. What a pain in my butt, I'll tell you that. Bring it zoom in a little bit and see. It is completely stuck on there. I cannot get to like at all. It is just freaking insane. Well, why does someone's got to come out to probably get it out of there? Damn it. It is all. He looks okay, right? Like, what the heck? It just slips on in and out of the whole thing. There's nothing to it at all. Other guy don't want to bug this. Don't make me hold it that tight, you know what I'm saying? Somebody's just not letting it come out of there. It's just freaking crazy insane. It won't go like a come out of there. I had to pop the piece off first. I had to get in there. Had to get it loose. Hopefully it worked out. It just literally locked into place. It would not let go and reach in there and snap it loose. Hopefully it still works okay. It's got to get in there something. And blow up the bulb. You can tell that for sure. Let's go ahead and we'll put one in. Just try this side first, I guess. Oh, we'll go ahead and get them all in. Let me just show you what we got to do. It's right there. Then we can put it and twist. So it twists. So when you go to twist it, twist this direction over here, which is crazy. It goes the opposite way. That go over here goes, clicks in this way. So twist this way loose, twist this way loose. It's don't make any damn sense to me, but that's how it gotta go. I was able to do that. Can y'all see how it did it? It would actually almost get it perfect back on. Push it back in, it almost clicked in there perfectly back on top. It should be perfect. So I was able to launch it back up almost. Right back on in place. Perfect fit. It should be fine. Right up here, let me show you how I did this side. How I did the other side so you get a better idea real quick. You go ahead and do it like this. You just push this in like that, right here like that. Paint to get up underneath there. You push down, down, and you pull up. And it lets you release it out. And then you have to get it past these wires. You tuck it in, around the wires. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but you can just pull it out of the way. Actually, just take this part off as you want. I can never get that part. I can't get it. I can't wait to check them. Anyways, you see that? It's got to get out of my way. I push it around the wires. Is all. Bring it apart right there. When you get around the wires, it'll give you enough. In case you want to grab that one damn wire. There you go. It's off. It's off. You can pull it right on out with your hand. Then this just pops loose. Pop it right on out of there. I'm gonna pull that out. You pull it on off, and I'll show you how to put it back in. Give me 2 seconds. Put it back in there. Get it involved over here. There we go. Get it back. Get it back one in there. These are both blowing, I think. There's one big blowing one here. Can't tell. We'll match them up in a minute. Then once we're done. That's all. Get these back in right here. And I'll show you this one too. That one's definitely blowing. You can tell it's blowing. That goes here for now. So what we're gonna do is get the new bulb. This is right here. These are the low beams. Like I said, the high beams already in over here. The one I had to do a funny deal with it to get to do right. But anyway, we got it in for now. Give me a second, put it in. Want to get the blue one? This is probably the best one. You put it back. You snip it into place. Let me show you real quick. Hang on a second. You can see right there, right? It's got that little piece. You just kind of pushes right up into there like that and snips in. It's pretty easy, honestly. Puts it on in, clicks in. Then when you put it back in the hole, it's a pain to get into this without taking the battery. Probably easier to get the battery anyway. I didn't have to though. If I want to put that stuck light over there, it's a pain in my butt for real. In the end, you're just gonna go like this. And just like that. Just like that. Yep, like that. Now, same way. Put the little wire piece through here first. Yep, like that. So it goes on in, right? I'm gonna put it around the outside first. Hang on real quick. Pull it back up. Out the way of that piece. You know, like this, right? Let me show you real quick. And like so. Pull that up so it's not in the way of this piece, right? Damn it, it's in the way again. Oh, so you gotta push it in all the way first, like this, right? Get it in. Oh, that may work. Let me see. All right, good like this. It's all slide it up and out. And up or down. And like that. And like that. And go back in. Now push it down. And turn out. What are we gonna do it? We'll cut the damn wire, and there we go. We got it. Now push that up underneath this hole. Hopefully y'all can see it. Can't tell if you can. And you tuck it on up in there, like that. See how we hooked it? And grab it. That one's in there all the way tight. Make sure it's in there. I believe we are. Always double check this should work. You should be good to go. So that should be all set. Now, with this, we'll pull the top cover piece back on. All right, and just like this cover, that hole, that cap, this cap goes over here like that one, and like that, and like that. This is for the small cap, actually, my bad. And like this, and you turn it, like I said, pull it to that side. Same way over here. Put this cap over here, and it should both work. I hope it's not. I want a big fat trouble because that thing is broken. We're gonna have to deal with that later, though. You know, we'll pop it back on like this. This tucks in. It's for the weather. Keep the weather out. And you cap it off. Cap it on and off, and make sure nothing's happening there. And you just snip it into place. Find the grooves. You gotta find the grooves for it like that. And now, find the right way to snip it on it. Damn it. It's right there. I got it lined up perfectly. Now you should snip in, turn right. There you go. Lock it in position. That one's in. This one's in. Now we gotta get the battery back side. But you see, you can put that in first. You want both pieces pushing that part in. You see that right there? Both pieces and hooking up underneath there. If you don't have both pieces in, you'd have problems with it. That was the problem I was having. Is all. That piece got to push that one side down. You see that one connector once it's on there. Take it right there and you push it and cap it right there on that end piece. So, and that'll hold it in place. That's how you clip it in. You can't do this first like on some of the Mercedes and BMWs. It's a little bit different. You gotta have both pieces on the outer parking. You'll see right there, both on the outer side. It is really a pain. Back over here so you can see here. Just like that, up underneath here. Just like this, so you get it off. You see right there, and the same way go back in. It's all like that. Like go, just right there. So it's got a hold right there on that little tab. You see that tab right there? Right in there. It's all right in there. And that's how you do it. Nice and got, and that's good to go. Guy back here is good to go too, I believe. Just get right in place, right there in the hole like that, right into there. Should be fine. Good to go for that right there. And that should be it. That should be all you gotta do to get this back here. That's the pain in my butt, I'll tell you that much, man. I can't pain in the ass. Here we go right here then. Get these right here. And that's the back cap. It's a bigger guy, the small cap in the back like that. You saw in the front, it's a small cap, goes right here like this. So you slip it all over here. It's like this, and like that. Is it? And like this. Twist towards me. Like I said, these take it backwards. It's freaking crazy. I know that. That much is freaking crazy. Anyway, same way over here like that. And then like that. You slip it on in like that. I really don't gotta take this part off. I'll have to make sure it's even and lined up with the gasket side. So make sure about that much. And like this. And like that. Now both of them are locked in. You're done. That set is all the way done. This should be working fine. Now I'll put these pieces back on here. These are 2 10mm that goes all this guy in here. So and like this. And like this. Pop it back around. Like so. Like so. Like that. And just like this. And like this. There you go. Here. One here, one here. There you go. There you go. You just go back here and I'll go over here. All right. There we go. Not too shabby, huh? Not too shabby. And just like that. I'm going to jump them back on down in there. Put the battery back in over here. I'm going to take the lights out. In 2 seconds to do that. Over here, same way. They're all hooked in back in. I'm going to double check him to make sure I didn't mess him up though. Make sure I did him right as well. Make sure I did him right. Make sure. Both underneath there. Yeah, he's not in there right. You see how I screwed that guy up? I knew I did too. Watch this. Let me show you. So we're going to take it back out. I screwed him up. Screwed that up closely. He almost messed up. Let me show you what I didn't do right there. Let me show you real quick here. So you see here? This guy's got to be here. So it's got to go in and pull out. Like so. Show you right quick right here. Right here that grabs that. It's not in there, right? No, it is in there actually. Yeah, both sides are getting held down, so that's in there good. And you just push it in and clip it into place. You can do either way. It goes in and that's fine. Just like that. Yep, that is all good to go. Make sure though, I'm gonna try. We'll get the battery back in and we'll check both the lights at all. And it should be fine. Should be fine. Ultra star right here, these guys here. And over here we got the other one right here though. So we need 112 for the battery tray right here. Right here's the bolt. That guy, I'll put him back in right now. All right, there we go. Lights on. Both lights, you got it in. And that was a mess. That was a mess, I'll tell you that. So we were able to get it though. Both lights work. Oh yeah, it's cool. So that's both working properly. Both in there good. And they're both working. Cool. And that's how you do it though. Or the paint. You gotta tighten these bolts up right here though. One there, 110 there, 110 there. We'll get them up and down. All right, right here's the there. There we go. Right here. Boom, 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 boom. All right, cool. We got that guy back in. Coolant gas back in. Everything's back in tight. Tight cap, tight, looking good. Lights on, looking good. Cool, all right, cool. And then lights are on. Everything's good. So that's how you do that. And 12mm for him. Got the plate in the bottom part, right, 10mm right here. Close them up. And we're all set. The lights are looking good here. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. Anyway. In there good. And into which we are in there good. That guy's in there tight. Got 2 jets here. Boom, boom. Like that. All set. He's back in. Plate down there. 12mm down there is all. 12mm down there. It is a 12mm. 10 there, 10 there. Right there on one side. Voila. What's up, man? Doing a quick video. It's so crazy. Yeah, so that guy right there was completely seized, but you can see. You want to come see this? Yeah. You see the difference.